Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this lovely looking and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline, here with a DSG gearbox and finished in upgraded Indium grey metallic paint. Plenty to enjoy here with key highlights including these automatic headlights with daytime running lights, and when visibility drops there are even front and rear fog lights. Whilst around the side you enjoy the 17-inch Davenport design alloy wheels in chrome to contrast the paint, and in the rear there are signature shaped tail lights. Load area is absolutely cavernous with rubberized flooring and tether hooks to tie down any large loose items. And a quick glimpse in the front will reveal a stylish two-tone cloth upholstery with upgraded driver's seat offering twin armrests. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel that operates the TFT screen, digital speedometer, adaptive cruise control, music, Bluetooth and sat-nav all are at your fingertips, whilst helping you park is an upgraded ParkAssist functionality. The upgraded Discover Nav system is a joy to use with easy to use DAB digital radio, media source inputs, and pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier. Built-in sat-nav can easily be displayed on the center screen, and you have full support of Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto, whilst various other car settings will allow you to customize this Kombi further. The assistants I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated from the center screen if you prefer, and for the music fans there is an adjustable speaker sound system. Whilst helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors. Down below you'll also enjoy easy to use climate control, heated front windscreen and twin USB Type-C chargers. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.